What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on this 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. Remember, you have the electronic parking brake, so you got to shut that off. I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure you check out my other Volkswagen Atlas videos along with some of my other repairs, and make sure you please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. These are some of the tools that I use to do this brake job. Allen, a 7mm Allen, and a 40 triple square, typical Volkswagen tool, and a T30 Torx bit. If you don't have any of these tools, I will link them in the description. Plug the scan tool into the DLC connector and turn the scan tool on. The key in the on position. Unless you have a vehicle with the push button start, then just put it in the on position without starting the vehicle. EPB, replace brake pads. Enter. Okay, so there's three options here. You can do replace brake pads, retract brake pump, or release brake pump. If you do replace brake pads, this pretty much walks you through it fairly easily. Okay, retract the brake pads. So the parking brake has been retracted. Now we can hit enter, turn off the ignition, put the ignition off, press the next step, and then we can leave this connected while we replace the brakes. Now the brakes are all done. I'm going to turn the key back on. Press enter to continue. So I'm finished. Now I'm going to press enter. Switch the ignition on, press enter. Waiting for vehicle, and I hear it. Overall, those brakes came out great, not too bad, nice and easy job. Thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe.